In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what you need to do to go and get one of these properties absolutely for free. My name's Liam Ryan, one of the co-founders of Assets for Life, and welcome to this latest episode of Tips on a Tuesday. Now, what I want you to do if you're new to this channel is hit subscribe and the notification bell, and remember, we will be launching new videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday at 7:30 p.m. and on the second Monday of every month we've got a bonus video called Ask Me Monday, and this is a YouTube live. So do that right now, please. Hit subscribe and the notification bell. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what you need to do in order to get a HMO, a house in multiple occupancy, free of charge in the portfolio, cash flowing you £1,000 to £2,000 net profit per month. I'm currently standing outside 5 Bourne Court. This is a property that I acquired a couple of years ago, and this property is what's now called a house in multiple occupancy. And a house in multiple occupancy is where we rent the rooms rather than renting the entire property to a single family or to a single person. By renting the rooms, you will maximize your return on investment. And we focus on renting our rooms out to professional people. But how can you do this using none of your own money? Well, that's very, very simple, and I'm going to share that with you right now. You go and find investors. Investors, they have the cash, you have the deal, and you do what's called a joint venture. The investor puts in the money, you go and do the work as a professional property investor, and then you follow the BRR model. You buy, you refurbish, and then you refinance. So there's a couple of ways in which you can use investor funds. Number one, the investor can put in the full amount of the money that's required to purchase the property and to do the refurbishment. Number two, you can enter into a joint venture with the investor and actually become a business partner. If they're a high net worth or sophisticated investor, you can set up a special purpose vehicle, a limited company, where the investor will have shares, you will have shares. The investor puts in the deposit for the mortgage, the investor can put in the money for the refurbishment, and then you go and get a mortgage from one of the lenders. And typically speaking, a mortgage provider for a property like this will give you anywhere between 75 and 85% loan to value. So let me give you an example. If the property was a purchase price of 200,000 and you only needed to find 15% for the mortgage deposit, you only need to find £30,000 from an investor, and then you have the refurbishment cost. And to do a refurb, you're looking at about 40, 50, maybe £60,000 to do that. This is how you get houses for free. The investor doesn't have the time, you've got the knowledge, you've got the product, you come together, you join forces, work in collaboration. Once you do this once, you can really start to scale. We have now done multiple deals using investor funds, and we now have many, many houses for free. What I would like you to do now, because you are tuning in to this video, is I want to answer your questions. So in the comments below, please type your question, please put in a comment, please like the video, and can you please now hit share. This will help me to help you. The more questions you ask me, the more videos I will do, and I will also reply to your question right now. So I'm sure you now want to go and get houses for free. And if you would like to get your first or next house for free using investor funds, you're just one decision away. Come and join me and my business partner at our up and coming flagship event, the Property Investment Summit. We will spend a whole day with you sharing the exact system that you need in order to start, scale and grow your own property business. What have you got to do? Hit the link above, get your sponsored ticket, and I'll see you at the Property Investment Summit. If I can do it, you can definitely do it.